Hi, I'm Lochen. How many times have you heard a noise in the dark and been freaked out because you can't see? What if I told you you could upgrade your eyesight to be able to see in the dark? Or how many times have you dropped your phone? What if I told you you could grow extra fingers to hold onto your phone better? A solution to these daily annoyances is called genetic modification. This topic interested me because it would be cool if we could give people who live closer to water webbed feet. Also, genetic modification or gene editing can be used to solve health problems. An analysis of genetic modification has these three aspects to consider. What is it, how would it help, and what are the issues with genetic modification? What is it? Genetic modification or gene editing is using genes from one living thing to change or mutate another living thing. An article by Nature says that there are forms of genetic modification such as CRISPR babies, which are babies that are given immunity to a virus before their birth and other things. This is how CRISPR works. Disrupt. If a single cut is made, a process called non-homologous end joining can result in addition or deletion of base pairs, disrupting the original DNA sequence and causing gene inactivation. Delete. A larger fragment of DNA can be deleted using two guide RNAs that target separate sites. After cleavage at each site, non-homologous end joining units separate the ends, deleting the inverting sequence. Insert. Adding a DNA template alongside CRISPR/Cas9 machinery allows the cell to correct a gene or even insert a new gene using a process called homology-directed repair. How would it help? Genetic modification has many benefits. One benefit is the sci-fi craziness I have been talking about, because to have better eyesight or extra fingers would be really cool. Gene editing can be really useful for health. If you have a health problem, gene editing can help that. According to an article by Healthline, scientists are looking into using gene editing to get rid of diseases. What are the issues with genetic modification? Now, there are some issues with gene editing. According to Arthur L. Kaplan, Brendan Parent, Michael Sheen, and Caroline Plunkett, CRISPR raises or revives many other ethical issues, not only which concern humans, but also other species and the environment. People have strong opinions that we should not mess with our genetic structure. Another problem is if gene editing goes wrong, it could cause significant damage in lowering your body's defenses to cancer. Genetic modification or gene editing is mutating or swapping the genes of someone or something. What is your opinion on genetic modification? Genetic modification can help rid the world of some diseases, but there are some underlying dangers.